I'm Mike Bakker from UPL Canada, Regional Sales Manager, and this morning I'm here at the AGRIS MiField technology site. This morning I'm going to talk about a couple of our new products that we're bringing to the marketplace over the next couple of years. One being Ohm, which is our new biosolution or biostimulant product, and the second being Xolair FX. Before I really start to talk about the individual products and brands, I just wanted to really highlight some of the key things as it relates to whether it's corn, soybeans, wheat. It all really has some critical growth stage or growth cycles. This morning I'm going to focus on corn, and the big reason for that is that really we're looking at positioning and growing these new products into the marketplace today on corn specifically. One thing I wanted to highlight here with corn, really there's three critical times to really maximize a grower's yield potential. One would be planting, the second one would be at V5, V6, or basically where you're setting the number of kernels around or the number of rows around in a cob, and the last one being that tassel timing. And that's really critical in terms of when you're going to set that yield potential and also number of kernels and harvestable weight at the end of the year. The reason I wanted to highlight that this morning is when we're looking at is how do you protect that yield. Number one is if you can protect that yield not only from a stress but also from a growth standpoint in terms of kernels around. And that's why applying something like Ohm, which is our new biostimulant product coming from UPL. And the also one is when you're looking at that timing, when you're looking at that tassel timing. There's a lot going on, especially later season at tassel timing or really key pollination. This year it's been a little bit different. We've had lots of moisture. It's been ideal growing conditions in a lot of areas. But in a lot of years, it's really hot, it's dry, and that's really a really large, stressful time for that plant. So the first product I'm going to touch base on this morning is Ohm. Ohm is our new biosolution product that we're bringing to the marketplace from UPL. UPL, really a leader in this particular segment, and one of the things which makes biosolutions very different than a traditional fertilizer or a traditional pesticide type product is it works to really reduce stress, make that plant healthier, and basically make those products work better. One of the things we've seen with biosolution products like Ohm, especially when you're looking at those critical timing I talked about before at V5, V6 or tassel timing, is how do you reduce the stress and how do you make that plant work better and utilize those products better. And that's one of the areas we're really excited to bring Ohm to the marketplace. And we've got some trials out here this morning at the AGRIS MiField technology site and also across Ontario, really to showcase how Ohm can bring a new level of yield potential and stress reduction to crops across not only for corn, but we've also got registrations in wheat, soybeans, and dry beans and a number of horticultural crops too. So we're really excited to bring these kind of products to marketplace. And when we look at where's the next yield plateau, there's lots of great products in fertilizer, there's lots of great products in crop protection, but it's the new biosolution place is where we're going to see those next level yield opportunities happen as we go forward. The other one I wanted to touch base on this morning is Xolair FX. Xolair FX is our new fungicide product from UPL. It has activity on a large number of key leaf diseases in corn. Some of the big ones would be northern corn leaf blight, southern corn leaf blight, common rust, and gray leaf spot. With Xolair FX, it's got two different modes of action. So it does have tetraconazole plus fluoxystrobin. And for most growers, that really means a strobium and a triazole, which are two different modes of action in two different families, not only to reduce the amount of or risk of resistance, but to also make sure we've got a great product that's going to work throughout the season. The one nice thing with Xolair, it does have that flexibility. It's got a wide range of registrations. Today we're going to look at it and really showcase within the AGRIS MiField technology site on corn, but we've got registrations on cereals, dry beans, and also crops like canola too. So it is a very flexible product. We're really excited to bring this new product to marketplace with two new modes of action, two new active ingredients, and looking forward to really launching this across Ontario to really showcase how not only we can protect the flag leaf, because that's really going to help growers maximize that yield potential. And thanks again to AGRIS and the opportunity to get our products into the AGRIS MiField technology site. We're the 5th largest manufacturer of crop protection products globally. Historically, we have not been large here in southern Ontario, and that's going to be one of the areas working with partners like AGRIS and within the AGRIS team to help growers bring new products to market and find those kind of products that's going to help push push a grower's yield potential higher and higher for greater profitability, and when we're looking at products like biostimulants or biosolutions for greater sustainability on agricultural operations.